You may have a preferred name for an app and want to change it, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change app name on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first off, we're going to need to download a certain icon, so just open up your Safari or any browser you have on your iPhone and search for the app. For example, I want to change the app name for WhatsApp, so I'm just going to search WhatsApp icon aesthetic or something like that, and let's go to images and download a certain icon that is different from the original. So for example, I want to change it to this one. I'm gonna press and hold on it and click on save to photos. Now that it has been downloaded, let's go to the shortcuts app. Right here, you should have it on your iPhone as it is pre-installed on your device. So just open that up and wait for that to load. Now what we're going to do is to create a new shortcut. So make sure that you are in this tab by clicking on the shortcuts option at the bottom left hand corner. From here, just click on this plus icon at the top right corner. And you should be able to see the open app option right here. So just tap on that and click on app right here and choose the app that you want to change the app name to. So since I want to change the app name for WhatsApp, let's just go ahead and click on WhatsApp right over here. From here, what you're going to do is to click on this share icon right here. So click on that and you should be able to see the option that says add to home screen. So tap on that. And from here, we can customize the app icon and app name as well. So first, we're going to change the app icon by clicking on this icon right here and click on choose photo and just select the photo that we have downloaded. So like that, and you can also crop it as you like and just click on choose at the bottom right. Now we can then change the app name by clicking on this name right here. For example, what's up? So just click on add once you have set that all up and click on done. Now when we go to the home screen, you should be able to see it right over here. So that is how you can basically change app name on iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.